Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorials to create a part design exercise number 25. Okay, click part button and click start to the sketch. I will choose top plan. Now you can draw circle with diameter 80. Yet again, a circle object with diameter 60. Next with diameter 40. And then the last circle you can set into 20. Now you can copy this object. You can use copy tools. Select the object. Then for base point, you can click in here. I will click from the origin point to drag here. Click done. And then you can set dimension between this object. You can set into 80. Use a line command to create line like from this point into here. And also in the bottom, it will be connect between two circle. And use trim command to cut this circle like this, and you can draw rectangle object from this point to here. Set for dimensions length between these two lines into 15, and then you can set for the distance. You can click like from this point into this line object. This you can click, and then you can set into 32,5. So to be moved into a center point. Now you can click finish sketch. To convert into 3D, we can use the extrusion tools. Click this icon, extrude, and select this area for extrusion area. Can set for distance into 90, and then I will use direction flip. Click OK. Now use fillet tools. Click this icon fillet. Set for radius fillet into 40. Then you can click this edge. Also in this edge. Click OK. I will create circle. You can click start the sketch. And then select at this face. I will create circle with diameter 40. Click finish sketch. And then use the extrusion tools. I will use booleans into cut and click OK. Now you can show for the sketch 1. Click in extrusion plus button. Then click sketch, right click, can click on visibility, so to be shown in your drawing. The next, I will use the extrusion again, so we can extrude at this face like this, and then you can see in here, can set the extrusion into 35. Is time 35. Click OK. The next, I will extrude again at this face. Click in it. Plus this face object. You can set for extrusion into 15. Okay. And then the last, we can extrude inside. Okay. Use extrusion. Select at this point to here. And then we can set for the extrusion into 15. Can click OK. Now you can hide again for sketch 1. You can right click, and then you can check for visibility. Okay, that's it for basic inventor tutorial exercise number 25. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.